Introducing Talus, the everyday carry 14-in-1 multi-tool to help you handle all sorts of tasks. Versatile, portable, and durable, Talus is your ever-ready companion for all of life's adventures. It's great to have a toolbox stuffed with all the gear you need, but when you're on the go, you need a pocket-sized tool that does it all. The Talus EDC Multi-Tool has everything you need no matter what comes your way. Bottle opener, multifunction knife, cutting pliers, slotted screwdriver, scissors, long nose pliers, round nose pliers, small scraper, Phillips screwdriver, wire stripper, threader, and can opener. A built-in safety locking feature ensures that every tool and knife will be securely locked in position and fully open. With a pocket clip, your Talus is always within reach and ready to go. For personal do-it-yourself work, home improvement, gardening, hunting, fishing, camping, and even traveling, Talus is the perfect EDC tool that always helps you out when you need it. We have put a lot of thought and hard work into the design, development, and testing of Talus, and finally, we are ready to launch. We couldn't have made it this far without the support of the Kickstarter community. Pledge now and be the first to receive Talus.
If you ask me, I would say there's one design that really stands out in our history. Driver, world's first luxury palm ratchet. Help us reinvent the wheel.
Meet Tring, a revolutionary phone grip and multi-tool for any situation. When you need to open an important package, or if your bike suddenly breaks down, when you have an important Zoom call, and even in a real-life emergency. Tring is incredibly compact and less than 1/4 of an inch thick, milled from high-alloy, heat-resistant chromium steel and packed with tools and features. With Tring, you can attach your phone to any metallic surface. It doesn't get in the way of wireless charging, unlike other phone accessories. Use it in your car for hands-free operation. And its low profile means it easily fits in your pocket. The response for Tring online has been incredible. Be prepared for any situation with Tring. The most versatile phone holder and multi-tool in the world. Available only on Kickstarter.